Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to take a free image or photograph from a stock site and convert the image as a coloring pages. You can use these images in your book cover and also use as a coloring pages. So where you can find a free copyright free images. So uh, our first uh, so uh, to collect these images you can find out a uh, sum of royalty free image site, like first of all pixels.com, and second one is pixabay.com, and third one is unsplash.com, and fourth one is free images.com, freeimages.com, and fifth one is KBO, Carbon Pix, carbonpix.com, and sixth one is bast.shopify.com, and our seventh one is you are colorbox.com, colorbox.com, and last one and 8 number site is live OFPIX livepix.com. So there is a 8 royalty free images site where you can find out uh, various types of image that you can use in your cover without copyright free, and also you can make a highly profitable and qualityful coloring books uses these royalty-free images. So, like example, unisplash.com. Like example, unisplash.com, and here you can search your required image like mushroom, mushroom, like mushroom. There are a lot of images, so you can uh, make a line art. To use line art, you can make a coloring pages from this. So using Adobe Illustrator and also using line art, you can uh, you can make a very creative coloring images. Coloring images like Kansas mushroom coloring book. Mushroom coloring book. There is a same. There is a image. Mushroom coloring book. There is a there is a mushroom coloring pages, so you can make this easily from this free stock site images. So and you can fully copyright free images. So if you have liked my video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon when I can share my videos with you to develop KDP self-publishing business. So thank you so much. Thank you all.